Need to deposit a check into your Revolut account? Let's walk through the updated method for 2025. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and go to the Home tab. Step 2. Tap on Accounts, then select the currency account you want to deposit into. Step 3. Now tap Add Money. Step 4. If check deposit is supported in your region, you'll see an option like Deposit a check or Check Imaging. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to take photos of the front and back of your check. Step 6. Enter the amount, then confirm and submit. Step 7. You'll get a notification when the check is received and processed, usually within 5 business days. Note: if this option isn't available in your country, check Revolut's Help Center or consider using an intermediary bank. That's it, fast and paper-free. For more practical Revolut tips, hit subscribe to Guide with Samuel.